Hello everybody, my name is Christina and today we're going to do a plank workout. So we're going to be working the core and the obliques. We're going to give them a really effective workout. So we'll start down on the floor. We're going to start the straight armed plank, okay? So as if you were to do a press up, hands under the shoulders, legs out, arms extended. Look at my back, nice and flat, bottom down. So when we do the plank, this is what we're aiming for. Flat back, bottom down. From there, we're just going to increase the resistance and we're going to bring alternate knees in and out for 30. Are we ready? And as you can see, I'm keeping my back flat and my bottom down all the time. That's our first 10, we're going to do 30. Drop those hips into it. That's 20. There we go. Excellent. Okay, the next plank is the plank that you're all probably more familiar with if you've done a plank before. So, elbows under the shoulders, and we're going to lift into the plank. I'm going to show you today how to make the plank a little bit more challenging. So this is the basic plank. Okay, so what we're going to do, again keeping the back down, going to lift the right foot just off the floor so the spine still stays in line. Embrace those abdominals. Pull that core nice and tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come down. Okay, if you're struggling with the plank, keep the elbows under the shoulders, and just to work yourself towards being able to do a full plank, you can literally just lift the hips and abdominals off the mat like this instead. Okay, so if you're struggling with the plank we've just done, this is your alternative. And this will help get the core nice and strong, so eventually you should be able to do a full plank. Let's try this time with the left foot just off the floor. Are we ready? So, think of that body alignment. Left foot just off the floor. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. As you can see, my back's flat, bottom's down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come down. Excellent. Side plank. Okay, so working into the core and sides of the body this time. Make sure the elbows are under the shoulder. If you're struggling to push your hips up and hold correct body alignment in this position, just to make it slightly easier if it's your first time having a go at the side plank, just bend the underneath leg just for a little bit of stability. The rest of us, legs out, here we go. Make sure your shoulder, hip, knee and ankle are in line. So if you look down the line of the body, my body's nice and straight, all my joints are in line. Keep the hips up off the floor and let's hold that. Another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Okay, have a little breather. Again, check your body alignment. It's very common when you get tired to let your bottom slip back, so you're going into like a banana shape. You need to keep your body nice and straight. So shoulder, hip, knee and ankle in line. This is going to make it harder with the arm here. So if you need extra help, put the arm in the air to help us with our balance. Up we go. Keep the hips stacked one on top of the other. Abdominals in, bottom in. So keep those abdominals braced. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Hold it there. And we'll do another 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Okay, let's go back into our straight armed plank. So, as if you're about to do a press up, hands under the shoulders. Before we do anything, think of that correct body alignment. Okay, are we ready to bring our knees in? In, just dropping those hips. Let's aim for 30 again. That's 10. Keep the abdominals braced, that's 20. That's 30. and lower down. Back into the plank. So this time we lie flat. Remember your alternative. If you're struggling with the plank, you're going to just lift your hips and abdominals, your hips and stomach from the mat. The rest of us, we're going to lift the legs up as well. So legs off the floor, abdominals off, right foot just off the floor. You'll really feel this deep in the core. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Are we ready to go again? So we're going to lift the left foot this time. Okay, up we go. Hold it. And another 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Let's change sides. We're going to finish off now with the plank on the alternate side. So, check your body alignment. Shoulder, hip, knee, ankle. Up we go. Hold it nice and still. Hips right up. If you want to make it more challenging, place the arm here. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Last time. Up we go. Hold it nice and still. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Remember, I'm here to make it more challenging. 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. I hope you've enjoyed that plank routine, and I look forward to seeing you all again very soon.